Good evening, everybody. I'm with my Kuya Handsome, Kuya Handsome here in Parcal. So we are currently walking here in Parcal. Dun si ate sa likod do. Uy, nag-walk din yung dalawang ate. Nagpapayat din. Exercise na kami dito sa Parcal, everybody. It's Friday night and we've just eaten a lot of food tonight. So, konting lakad muna tayo para bumaba yung ating kinain. Di ba, Kuya DM? Right? So, there you are. That's my Kuya Pogi. And, again, we are here in Parcal. Walking lang to make sure that everybody's healthy. Everybody's ready to sleep once we arrive back home. No, kasi medyo busog tayo. Mga ate sa likod, oh. Lakad-lakad lang. Friday night. Last day, not really last day of February, but tomorrow pa lang yung last day. It's Feb 27. It's Tali's birthday. And it's my kuya's hangout day. Hangout day ba ni kuya? How's your week, my Banilicious? Pagod ba yung Banilicious ko sa school? Uy, ang seryoso nito. Magkwento ka naman dyan, pare ko. Ano pare? Anong kwento natin, pare? Ito ka, pare? Ah, anong kwento ng pare ko? Hmm? What's my Kuya DM's kwento? Kuya DM's kwento is that pausa ko guys anong kwento ng pare ko? My pare ko's kwento is anong kwento ng pare? Uy, pare. Pagod din siya. Pagod kami parehas. Okay, bye guys.